To assemble your SONNET, begin by attaching the battery pack frame to the control unit. To attach the battery pack frame to the control unit, insert the hook on the control unit into the matching groove in the battery pack frame and push against the back of the battery pack frame until the release lever engages. Plug the coil cable into the control unit. Note the correct orientation of the coil cable socket and be careful not to use too much force. To attach the coil cable to a DL-Coil with a non-locking cover, plug the coil cable into the DL-Coil with the logo and arrow on the coil cable plug facing up. To attach the coil cable to a DL-Coil with a locking cover, remove the coil cover by lifting the cover from the front with your fingernail. Plug the coil cable into the DL-Coil base with the logo and arrow on the coil cable plug facing up, and close the cover by pressing the cover and base together. Insert the batteries into the battery pack frame with the positive poles facing out. Then slide on the battery pack cover and be careful not to use excessive force. The air inlets on the battery pack cover should be on the same side as the coil cable socket of the control unit. To turn on SONNET, fully close the battery pack cover. The battery pack can optionally be locked to make SONNET tamper-proof. To lock the battery pack, use the screwdriver provided with your SONNET kit to turn the lock clockwise until the notch is facing sideways to the battery pack. Be careful not to use too much force when you turn the lock. SONNET is now ready to use.